everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that many of us can relate to, toxic relationships. But fear not. Today's video is all about breaking free from those patterns and creating space for the love and support you truly deserve. Have you ever felt trapped in a toxic relationship? The good news is that you have the power to break free and transform your life. Think of your journey as a puzzle. Each piece represents a step towards healing, and today, we're going to explore those steps together. Step 1. Embrace change. Just like a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, you too can undergo a beautiful transformation. Accept that change is the only constant and that it's okay to let go of what no longer serves you. Step 2. Rediscover yourself. Climb the mountains within you, rediscover your passions, and embrace your true self. Remember, you are not defined by your past. Step 3. Cultivate self-love. Just as a garden needs care, nurture yourself. Plant seeds of self-love, water them with positivity, and watch yourself bloom into the amazing person you are meant to be. Step 4. Build a support system. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. A strong support system can make all the difference in your journey towards healthier relationships. Step 5. Rise from the ashes. Like a phoenix, rise stronger from the challenges. Your past does not define you. You have the power to create a new, empowering narrative for yourself. Step 6. Heal your heart. It's okay to acknowledge the pain, but don't let it define you. Stitch your heart back together with self-compassion and forgiveness. Healing is a journey, not a destination. Step 7. Welcome healthy relationships. Finally, open your heart to healthy, loving connections. You deserve happiness, and the right person will enhance your life, not define it. Remember, breaking free from toxic patterns takes time and effort, but you are worth it. Embrace the journey, visualize the love and support you deserve, and watch as your life transforms. I hope you found this video helpful.